Let me go back just a little bit. Let me get it the other way. The door not only opened, it opened completely and then slammed it shut. Alright, you ready?
Wow.